this video is about the length of the trace. Now, if we talk about the trace, we talk about the length of the line between the popper and the toffee, or the platty, or whatever lure you've got below the popper. Remember, the barbel will come, or the catfish will come for the toffee or the lure beneath the popper. You don't really want it to see the popper. But let's talk about the length. Now, the length will be influenced by many different factors, and it's extremely important. So I think the first important thing is to get yourself an adjustable popper. Now, what an adjustable popper does is you can change the length between the popper and the lure easily. You don't have to redo the knot and everything. So when you've got your adjustable popper, then you will look at the color and the depth of the water. The deeper the water, the longer the trace. Shallower water, of course, you'll go for a shallower or a shorter trace. And then also, if we look at the color of the water, if we've got clean water, we'll use a longer trace. The fish will be more shy to come to the surface. And for dirtier water, you will of course use a shorter trace because they will feel more comfortable in the top part of the water. There's really many different factors that will influence this. The best is to experiment and also to look around you. If somebody else gets success with a specific length of trace for that day, change to that. That will definitely make a difference. And I can tell you that trace length in some cases will mean the difference between success and no fish at all. So if you found any value in this video, please like and subscribe. Send it to somebody else that may also benefit from this. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you and bye-bye.